Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make a YouTube short in CapCut in just a few simple steps. First, open CapCut on your computer. Go to the media section in the top left and import your video. Drag it down into the timeline. Now, YouTube Shorts have a vertical format, so we need to adjust that. Under the video preview, click on Ratio and select 9:16. This will make your video vertical. Next, click on your video in the timeline and resize or reposition it in the preview window so it fits correctly. Repeat this for each clip you add. YouTube Shorts must be less than 60 seconds long, so keep an eye on the length of your video. Once you're happy with your edits, go to the top right and click Export. Choose your settings, then export the video, and you're done. That's how to create a YouTube short in CapCut PC. If this video helped, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.